Yeah, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning on how to register for our Ican 2022, the step-by-step guide on how to do the registration. Just stay tuned so that we do this together. Now, first of all, you have to walk into any bank of your choice, be it Zenith Bank, First Bank, Diamond Bank, whichever bank of your choice. Meet the note counter there and tell them that you want to buy ICANN, you want to pay for your ICANN registration. ICANN student registration is 7,000 naira. 7,000, that is the official price. But bank charges differs, depends on the bank. So you are going to be, they are going to tell you how much is their bank charges. So that is that about that. Then upon payment, they are going to give you a printout just like what you're seeing on the screen now. I'm going to zoom it out. Don't worry about that. Now, I'm going to zoom it out. Now, I want you to see something. After the ICANN payment receipt, you see something like, for the next step, kindly proceed to www.icanonline-ngr.com/pay direct. So that is the website you are going to log into. Now, the aim of doing this tutorial for you is not for you to go to cafe so that they will help you out. It's for you to do it yourself and save yourself the stress and the money that you're going to spend in cafe. So just want you to learn this and do it at your pace. Do it with a relaxed mind. That is the aim of doing this video for you. It's something you can do. It's something you can do. With the step-to-step guide I'm giving here, you can use your phone, you can use your system and do it. Just stay tuned. It's very, very easy. Now, after you must have logged in into this website at the top of the slips. Now, the next thing you need from this printout is deposit slip number and your receipt number. Now, they are stated here. Sorry, I deliberately did this so that somebody information will not go out. Now you see the deposit slip number here, and you also see the receipt number here. After you must have copied those numbers and log in into that website, it's going to take you to a page which I am going to show you now. It's going to bring you to this page. Now, this is the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, ICAN. ICAN Pay Direct. Enter your ICAN Pay Direct detail. Now, what are your ICAN Pay Direct detail? Your deposit number and your receipt number. Mind you, these are the number you got from this place, which you are going to impute in this place. So after you put the number in this place, the next thing, I'm too fast, sorry, I'm going to step down. The next thing you are going to do is you tap your submit button and you submit it. After you must have entered your deposit number and receipt number, you click on your submit button and it's going to take you to the next page, which I am going to show you now. It's going to bring you to this place. Mind you, this page is bringing you to, is coming with a generated PIN and serial number. Hello. Once you enter your detail here, it's going to come up with a generated PIN and a serial number. Mind you, what you put in there was just deposit number and your receipt number. You understand? But here is going to generate a PIN and a serial number, which you are going to use to continue your registration. Now, make sure you get a pen and a paper to copy down the PIN and registration and serial number down. Then you click or proceed to registration on this website. Once you have copied down the PIN and the serial number, you click on this blue right up here. Once you click on the blue right up here, is going to take you to a page which I'm going to show you now. It's going to bring you to this place. And now, don't worry, I'm going to zoom it. Don't worry. I'll zoom it. Now, this is the page. Ican, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, Professional Student Portal, new professional student registration. If you have registered as a student before, do not proceed. Double registration is not allowed. Now, the pin you copied earlier from on the piece of paper, I told you, get down the pin and the serial number, get the pen and the paper and put down the pin on your serial number on the paper. Now, that pin is what you're going to put here and the serial number, and you click submit. Mind you, this pin and the serial number here is what you're going to input here, and you click your submit. And once you click submit here, it's going to open a form-like page for you, like a biodata, a form to fill, an online form for you to fill, where you see your name, your surname, your age, your address, everything, your education, your school, everything about your detail. Don't be scared. It's something you can handle. It's something that is all about you. It's something you can handle perfectly. Now, after that, after you must have entered everything, there is a space for your referee. Yeah, just one referee is needed. And mind you, that referee must be a chartered accountant, must be a financial member, financial member in the sense that he is not owing the ICANN body in terms of subscription and annual dues. He's free from debt. Get the person and let the person be your referee. And mind you, let the person be somebody that you can access within 48 hours. I will tell you why. Let it be somebody you can access within 48 hours. Just get the person's name, the ICANN number, and the phone number. That is everything they need there. So after you must have filled the form, and everything, they will ask you to print. When they will ask you to print, the printers will look like this. There's an Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, professional student registration form yet to be completed, awaiting document upload. Now you see everything. Like after you must have filled the form and you say proceed, it will generate this form like this for you. And here you see something like this. I'm going to read it out for you. Hope I'm not too fast. To complete the process, print the form, this particular form. Give it to your referee to certify along with on that listed item. Scan the certified document in one PDF file with maximum size of 7 megabytes and upload within 48 hours. So this is the reason why I am telling you that your referee should be somebody you can access within 48 hours. Now they need you to upload your document and everything, including this form, signed by your referee, and upload it within 48 hours. Within 48 hours. So if your referee is somebody that you cannot access quickly, it will be a problem. Somebody else cannot sign for him. Now, before you do this, make sure that your referee is somebody you can access. Now, after that, you get all the documents here. All the documents are stated here. Certified copy of your birth certificate, declaration of age, certified copy of your educational qualification, certified copy of your AAT certificate where applicable, one recent passport photograph size, certificate photocopy of marriage certificate where applicable, and certified photocopy of your NYC certificate, call-up letter, or academic transcript. Now you are going to get all these documents together for your referee to sign, to attest the signature on it. He knows what to do. He knows what to do. I believe he must have been signing for others, and if he don't know, I believe he gave somebody to do that for him, and he saw the way the person did it, so he can handle it. Just give him, he knows what to do. After the signing of this form and the signing on your passport, on all your documents needed, gather them, scan all of them, including your passport, scan all of them, and scan all of them in one PDF file. In one PDF file, 7 megabytes. It is stated here, not more than 7 megabytes. Scan them in one PDF file. So if you don't know how to scan, how to bring documents together in one PDF file, you can let me know. I will do a video on that. Just specify it on the comment section. I'm going to do a video on how to compress, or how to merge documents together in one PDF. I will gladly do that once I see any requests concerning that. So after you must have converted it to PDF, you go back to the website, follow the same step earlier as I told you to get to this place. Follow that same step and come to this place. Then you choose file, choose file. Then once you click it, then upload it. And once you upload it, you are done with the online registration. Now the next thing for you to do is to go ahead with your physical registration. Now your physical registration is this. You have to carry that same document, but I will advise you make a photocopy and have your own copy of everything you're submitting to Ican for reference purposes. Now gather all the items, the scanned documents, put them in one brown envelope. Put them in one brown envelope with your passport, with the customer copy of your tailor. Put it inside and take it to any Ican office closer to you in the country. So any Ican office closer to you in the country, then once you go to the office, they are going to welcome you very well. They are friendly. They are going to welcome you very well. Then once you get there, you tell them what you are there for, that you want to submit for your registration. They will accept it, check it, okay, they will look at it, and they will ask you to write your name in one hard copy book like that. You write your name and you sign. You write your name and you sign. After the signing, they will give you back your passport and the customer copy of your tailor. They will give it back to you and they will keep the rest. And if they are kind enough, they are going to explain to you what you need to do next. But in some case, they might ask you to just go to the notice board and check when to check for your registration if it has been approved. And once they say go to the notice board to check, you will see something like this, which I am going to show you now. You see something like this. Yeah, checking of student registration number online. Go to Ican website www.icanig.org. At the top menu, you click students. At the right side of the page, you click under user link. Click on my icon and check professional registration number and enter your surname. Now, the reason why they say you should enter your surname is that if you decide to enter your own name, there are so many James there. There are so many Jacob there. You know what I'm saying. So they prefer you using your surname, so that surname are always peculiar somehow. So use your surname and enter, and your surname will be displayed. Your surname will bring out order of your information, and you are going to see your registration if it has been approved or not. Now, and this thing you are going to check it afterwards. 3 weeks, you can check if your application is approved. After 3 weeks of submission, you can check you can use this procedure here to check if your application is approved. And once it is approved, you'll be given a range number. And once you are given a range number, then from there you can continue with other things. I believe this video helps you a lot. And again, don't forget, if the demand arises, I can still do a video on how you can check your I your how you can check the student registration number online. If the demand arises, you can put it on the comment section if you want me to do a video on step by step on how you can check student registration number online. And also, if the demand warrants, I can also do on how to apply for your exemption. So I believe with this we can move forward. So I wish you all the best. I wish you all the very best in this career path that you have chosen. Wish you all the best. And I pray that we all succeed in this field of accounting. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. Stay tuned. My name is Mr. Israel.